So we might have gotten a leak of the Valve Steam Machine price tag. Now, keep in mind this leak, I'm going to put in quotation marks. Yes, is it a leak? Technically, yes, but it also could just be a placeholder price tag wise, and that's pretty much all it is. Like, it's a leak, but it's not a leak at the same time because of that, right? Because, again, this could just be a placeholder, but there was there was a website that actually has it listed, a Valve Steam Machine 512 gigabyte and 1 terabyte version. And if you go down on Reddit here, and this was posted on Reddit, by the way, I'll leave a link down below the description to the Reddit post. You can see that, yeah, the price tag, first off, is $950 before tax. 2 terabyte listed for $1,070 USD before tax. Which the way they found that, by the way, is they went in the source code and they looked up like what the actual like price tag of it was. Which, okay, I mean, across the board, that's expensive, right? Definitely going to be up there in expensive wise. But at the same time, you got to keep in mind that this is kind of the trend, right? Xboxes are rumored to be crazy expensive when the next Xbox comes out. The PS6 is going to be crazy expensive, kind of around that $1,000 price tag range. It sucks, too, because, I feel like the economy's going down and prices are going up, which doesn't really work out too well for consumers, but it is what it is at the end of the day. I'm hoping these price tags are wrong, but with all the RAM shortages and all the stuff going on with supply chains, it kind of just seems like this is the direction we're headed. Now, keep in mind, this is not coming out like right now. This is coming out in 2026, sometime later this year. So this could even be higher than we expect. We're expecting it based on this right now, but this could go up even higher depending on how everything shakes out the rest of this year. So if somehow, some way prices come down, it could be less, but most likely it's going to be more money than this. It could definitely be at least $1,000 for the 512 gigabyte model, and then for the 2 terabyte could easily be way over $1,000. Could be $1,500, right? So we can all hope that it's not the case, but it's gonna be expensive. No matter what way you look at it, it's gonna be expensive. It's gonna be stupidly expensive, and kind of just the climate we're getting into when it comes to this stuff. But shout out to Reddit for posting this, and also shout out to SpawnWave. I did make a video on this as well, I saw, so shout out to him as well. I'll leave a link down below in the description of his video. Check it out, and I'll also leave a link down below in the description to the Reddit post about this subject. But I don't know. I'm waiting for the day when prices maybe comes down a tad bit, but it doesn't seem like that's going to happen, especially for GPUs. Like, if you haven't bought a GPU or you're buying a GPU, I would buy one now, because NVIDIA is cutting 40% of the production of GPUs in 2026. So that price tag to GPUs is just going to skyrocket through the roof, and along with everything else. Tell me down below your thoughts. See you guys next one.